presentation will be there, and after that we can find our own places. So wherever you get a place, kindly make yourself comfortable. Now coming to the presentation that we have made, first of all I would like to thank each and every one of you for contributing to this presentation. और ये presentation तब तक complete नहीं होता अगर आपने ये काम नहीं किया होता. हम basically जो present कर रहे हैं वो हमारा काम नहीं है. हम जो present कर रहे हैं वो आपने जो काम किया है वो आपके सामने हम present कर रहे हैं. That is what is more important. So I would like to first of all thank all of you, thank my team, and let me begin this first session of this Sammelan, 3-day Sammelan, by saying a big thank you to One World team, Rajiv Tuku and his team. They have really been able to run around and put things together. We had hardly any time. This has been put together in about 15 to 20 days. So a big round of applause to them. Let me just take stock of what we have been able to do all this while. तो जो मेरी पहली स्लाइड है, अगर आप उसको देखेंगे तो हमने टोटल परमिशन जो अभी तक इशू किए इन इंडिया इज 461. And I'm very happy to bring to your notice, you see the second line, which is educational institutions are 206 and NGOs are 211. So you know what has happened is that NGOs have now taken over the educational institutions in terms of permission. और ये situation 2 या 2.5 साल पहले totally different थी. उसमें क्या था? NGOs के पास बहुत कम रेडियोस थे और educational institutions के पास ज़्यादा थे because they had a head start. So thanks to the grassroots movement, this situation has been changed, and a big round of applause to us. So that is one. लेकिन अगर आप कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र 44 है, लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे ऑपरेटिंग स्टेशन जो हमारे पास है उसमें सिचुएशन थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. ऑपरेटिंग स्टेशन में एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर 94 एंड एनजीओज आर अबाउट 58. इट मे बी अबाउट 60 नाउ. तो 60 है हमारे एनजीओज. व्हाट डज इट शो? Again, it shows the factor that there has to be resources for the grassroots organizations to operate their stations. Educational institutions, they definitely have an advantage. एक तो policy ने सबसे पहले उन्हें बढ़ावा दिया और दूसरी बात, they definitely are better placed in terms of their funding. Therefore, grassroots organizations have to really come forward now and tap the potential of the community radio support fund. अब आगे बढ़ें. हमारा इस प्रेजेंटेशन का ये बेसिकली द पर्पस इज दैट वी फिनिश इट इन अंडर 20 मिनट्स एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑन द कम्युनिटी रेडियो सपोर्ट स्कीम और एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव, एंड वी फिनिश बाय अबाउट 11:15, 11:20. A little bit more time for you to interact and have tea and all that. So this is the format that we are looking at. अभी परमिशंस अगर आप देखेंगे ईयर वाइज तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ईयर वाइज परमिशंस you see in the last 4-5 years, because of the coming together of everybody, all stakeholders, चाहे वो community radio operators हो, चाहे वो हमारे UN agencies हो, international organizations हो, national organizations हो, हमारे community radio association, community radio forum, इनके representatives हो, everybody has been able to come together and constitute given a very big push to the sector. So you can see in the last 4 years, 2010 से 2013 तक अगर आप देखेंगे तो there number of permissions have been issued. हालांकि ये 2013 में number of permissions has come down. क्यों? क्योंकि WPC 2013 में वो frequency allocation नहीं कर रहा था. So though the permissions have been issued, but though the permissions have been processed, we were not able to issue LOI. हम उसमें दे नहीं पाए क्योंकि हमें FAs नहीं मिल रहे थे उस वक्त. Now they have again started to release the frequency allocation. So we are very sure that we will immediately be able to enhance this number this year. Operating stations का भी अगर आप देखेंगे over the period of years you can see it's steadily increasing. There is a consistent rise and an increase, and it has come to 163 as on today. Number of stations in India. Now अब हम let us start. जो पिछला सम्मेलन था उसमें क्या recommendations थे? Because every time we must take stock of what you people recommended and whether those things have actually happened or they have not happened. So let's have a look. I think one of the first and the most important recommendation of the last sammelan and of all the other sammelans we have had is that there should be financial sustainability. कम्युनिटी रेडियोस के लिए एक कोई भी फाइनेंशियल सस्टेनेबिलिटी का एक उपाय होना चाहिए जिससे कि वो अपने स्टेशंस को ऑपरेशनलाइज कर सके और लगा सके।